Hi folks, well after 5 long weeks of some rehabilitation and cabin fever, I'm back out on a sunrise shoot. Up here at Caister Beach on the Norfolk coast today with a couple of the guys from the landscape group. Really nice morning, a little bit too bright. We've always got something to complain about when we go out to a location, but no, look, lovely to be back out. It's cold, it's about -3 degrees on the beach here, but as you can see in the shots there on screen, I'll put a few up. We've got some nice water movement around the rocks here on the beach, and all in all, a good day out. Looking forward to the coming month. We've got quite a few shoots lined up through December as I head towards my target of 52 sunrises for the year. This is number 41 today, so can't wait to get back out again over the next few weeks. And we'll see you in the next video.